Welcome back to Biology in a Box. In today's activity, we will be learning how accidents happen in DNA replication, which cause mutations. To demonstrate this, the class will be divided into two teams. Your teacher will read a piece of genetic code from one side of your DNA model that is 6 letters long. Your teacher will then whisper the 6-letter code to one student from each team, and the student will whisper to another student until every student in the class has heard the code. The last student to hear the code on each team will write it down and turn it into the teacher. Your teacher will then show the code whispered at the beginning and the code that was written down from each team at the end. Each change in the code represents one mutation. How many letters have changed? Mutations create new alleles, which may lead to a different trait being expressed. Calculate the rate of mutation as the number of base changes in the sequence divided by the total number of bases in the sequence. If 2 of the letters in your team's code changed, you would put into your calculator 2 divided by 6. To find the percentage, you would take that number and multiply it by 100. Thank you for watching and learning with Biology in a Box. See you next time.